Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa. I hope you all are doing well. You guys know I have shared it a lot of times on my channel. I have a very oily and acne prone skin, and I also have enlarged pores. I have actually shared it on my channel a lot of times. So I actually share skincare routine and products that are specifically meant for oily acne prone skin and for enlarged pores. Sometimes I do skincare for dry skin, but mostly my skincare that I share is mostly about oily and acne prone skin. So when it comes to oily skin type and acne prone skin with enlarged pores, exfoliation is very important. It's so important, you cannot skip this step. And you can do two types of exfoliation. You can do physical exfoliation and chemical exfoliation. I personally like to do chemical exfoliation because it works better for my skin. However, if physical exfoliators work for your skin, that's fine, but I feel like chemical exfoliators do a better job for my skin type. And I have shared chemical peeling solution, with you guys couple of times, and you have actually had a lot of questions on it. So I have shared last month actually this peeling solution from the Derma Co. This is their beginner peeling solution with 15% AHA and 1% BHA. This is their beginner face peeling solution. This is great for beginners, and I have shared this one last month. I did a short on this and you guys had so many questions on it, so I decided to do a dedicated video on this particular product so that I can address all the questions, all the queries that you have on this product. So let's get started. So let's start with what this product actually has. This has 15% AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid, and 1% BHA, that is beta hydroxy acid. Now this has 15% of AHA and 1% of BHA, that is good for beginners. Normally that I have used before has 30% AHA and 2% BHA. That was quite strong peeling solution, and it worked for my skin, but if you are a beginner, it might not be suitable for your skin. So this one is more suitable for beginners. So this has 5% glycolic acid, 5% lactic acid, 5% mandelic acid, those are AHS, and 1% salicylic acid, that is BHA. So this one works so nicely on my skin, guys. It exfoliates my skin, removes all the dead skin cell from my skin, and at the same time unclogs my pore, reduces the production of acne on my skin, reduces the bacteria that causes acne. So this is really good for those who have breakouts on their skin. If you keep on using this regularly on your skin, within like 1 month or so, you will start noticing difference that your acnes are not that common anymore. You don't get that much breakout on your skin. So this one is a high recommendation from me. So let's start with the questions that you have. Okay, so the very basic question a lot of you guys ask is that can you use it when you are a teenager, like you are 16 years old or 14 years old? Can you start using this? See, I will recommend that if you have to wait until you are 20 years old to use any kind of actives on your skin. Not only this one, but any active, you have to wait until at least you are 20 years old, because if you are a teenager, your skin is very sensitive. It can be very sensitive, so trying out actives can actually cause irritation for your skin. So if you are 20 years old, start using this, you will enjoy it. But if you are younger than 20 years old, then please wait until you are 20-year-old to start this. The next question that I get is, will it actually physically peel your skin, like actual peeling of your skin? After getting a chemical peel from a dermatologist, you get those actual physical peeling of your skin. Will that happen with this one? No, it doesn't happen with this one. It is not a medical strength peeling solution. It is a mild peeling solution that will exfoliate your skin. It will actually not cause any actual physical peeling of your skin. So the next thing is how to use it. Okay, how to use it correctly and effectively. Okay, that is more important. Always stick to the steps that are mentioned on the box. It will clearly be mentioned on the box how to use this and how long you have to keep it on your skin. So the first thing is you have to cleanse your skin. After cleansing your skin, at night time only. Okay, this has to be used only at night time, not at daytime. You can use it once a week, or if you are like habituated with the product, then you can go for twice a week like I do. But if you are starting it out, then definitely use just once a week. Apply a thin layer of this solution on your skin and wait for like 10 minutes, exactly 10 minutes, not longer than that. Put a timer on your phone, exactly 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash it off. That's it. Do not leave it on the entire night or any longer than 10 minutes. Exactly 10 minutes for the solution. The more you keep it on, you might get chemical burn on your skin. It might get red and it might get itchy. So stick to the steps that is mentioned on the box and keep it on exactly for 10 minutes. That's very important, guys. After you have washed your face with normal water or lukewarm water, whatever suits your skin, pat dry your skin, and then you can apply your favorite moisturizer, and that's all. When you are using this, do not apply any other active on the same day. Wait for 24 hours to use any other active serums on your skin. Okay, and the very important thing that you have to keep in mind is using a sunscreen. When you are using this chemical peeling solution, your skin becomes sensitive, so definitely protect your skin with a good sunscreen in the daytime. You do not have to use sunscreen at night time. In the daytime, use a good sunscreen. That is very important, guys. The sunscreen that I use is from the Derma Co. This is their 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel with SPF 50. It has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and this one is completely fragrance free like any other product from the Derma Co. I actually like it a lot. And it provides a protection from UVA and UVB rays with blue lights. So this is my favorite sunscreen ever. This has a very wonderful texture to it, and this is 80-gram tube. It lasts me 1 month. Actually, I go through a lot of sunscreen. I reapply every 2 to 3 hours. So in daytime, do not forget your sunscreen, especially when you are using this peeling solution. Both of these products are actually easily available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, and the Derma Co's official website. And while you are shopping from their website, you can use my code, that is Lisa2023, to get an amazing discount, guys. The Derma Co has empowered over 10,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed video, and I actually answered all of your questions about this particular product. You guys had a lot of questions, guys. If I missed anything, put it in my comment section. I will definitely get to it. So yeah, that's all, guys. I will catch you all next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.